Hal Arabu people. Now wetin una dey chop with this? I no go talk anything o. Welcome! Today, we are traveling to the heart of Arabian culture. We are making kunafa, one of the most famous and beloved desserts in the Middle East. And today, I am so excited to share it with you. From Saudi Arabia to Egypt to Lebanon, this dessert brings families together. It's perfect for celebrations. In this video, you will learn how to prepare kunafa step by step and discover why so many people love its sweet, crispy, and creamy taste. If you have never tried kunafa before, this is your sign. Give it a try, you will absolutely love it. Hello everyone, today we'll prepare kunafa, a soft inside and crispy outside dessert. I will go slowly so you can follow comfortably at home. First, I will introduce all our ingredients one after the other so you understand each one. Clean hands first. Clean cooking gives clean taste. This is kunafa dough. It looks like thin noodles. We aim at the short pieces so it can become soft inside and crispy outside. This is melted butter. Butter gives flavor and golden color. Without butter, the kunafa becomes dry. Mix gently. Every strand should touch butter. Do not press hard. Cut slowly. Not too tiny, not too long. Medium size helps even frying. Slowly. Not too tiny, not too long. Medium size helps even frying. This is mozzarella cheese. It melts and stretches when hot. That stretch is what makes kunafa special. Slice the cheese so it melts evenly. Thick blocks will not melt properly. See? Flat and even slices melt perfectly. This is sugar. We will use it to make syrup. Syrup gives sweetness and moisture. Water helps the sugar dissolve and become smooth syrup. A small drop of lemon stops the syrup from turning into sugar crystals. Rose water gives the traditional Middle Eastern aroma. Only a little is needed. Now we start the syrup. Syrup must finish before baking the kunafa. Medium heat. Stir slowly until sugar disappears. Medium heat. Stir slowly until sugar disappears. Just a little lemon. This keeps the syrup smooth. Rose water goes in after cooking so the smell stays fresh. We allow it boil gently for about 5 minutes. Now we assemble the kunafa. First layer, press softly, not tight. Air inside makes crisp texture. Inside makes crisp texture. Inside makes crisp texture. Softly, not tight. Air inside makes crisp texture. Spread white cheese everywhere so every bite has filling. Low heat cooking. Second layer closes the cheese. Move the pan slowly so color spreads evenly. Alright, the heat is on. Look at that kunafa browning. Now we flip it bottom to top so it browns evenly. Perfect. All done together. Hot kunafa, cool syrup, and our kunafa is ready. This gives the traditional Middle Eastern beauty and a light nutty taste. Light nutty taste. Now it looks rich, soft, and inviting. Perfect kunafa. Hal Arabu people. Now wetin una dey chop with this? I no go talk anything o. My respect for Arabian country. No be small for una o. We're proud to present this dish, blending tradition with innovation. Subscribe for more updates. Please click the subscribe button on your screen. It costs you nothing and really helps us out. And you will be the first to know when we post a new meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with others. If there's any meal you would like us to prepare, please click the subscribe button on your screen and you will be the first to know when we post a new meal.